Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to merge section with above in Google Form. Let's get started. Create a blank form. Click the plus icon. Give the title name. Create the question. And go to right side of the form and click the add section. Create the question. Again add the section. Click the section and click the drop down menu and choose the merge with above. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.